Hi everybody, welcome back. Today's video is my rescue remedy for crepey skin, particularly the upper arms, this area here. I'm 57 and let me tell you, I have got crepey skin and it seems to be getting worse as the days go on. This is the truth. Crepey skin is a natural part of aging. It's where the body has lost estrogen, which then causes a depreciation of collagen and elastin. And of course, our skin gets drier as we get older. Coupled with factors like the sun, we are seeing collagen loss, we're seeing muscle loss, fat loss, and that causes crepey loose skin. So if you've lost weight recently, and a lot have, you're going to be noticing that your skin is looking fine, it's looking textured, and it might be looking drier. So let's get started straight away. Before we put anything on our skin, we need to prepare the canvas. Think about it. We need to make sure that what we're applying our oils to is actually going to work and the skin's going to absorb it. So we need to exfoliate. My favorite is this brush. A lot of you love the brush, but a lot of you say it's a little bit ouchy, a bit too sore. In which case, how about these? These are exfoliating gloves. I'll demo how you're going to use both. First of all, the brush. What you want to do is do it dry. Now, yes, it's going to feel a little more intense, but that's what we want. It's going to bring the blood to the surface of the skin, which will then help with the absorption of these incredible ingredients I'm going to share with you in a minute. It's also helping with lymphatic drainage. And sometimes the appearance under our arms here is down to blocked lymph. We've got all of these toxins, our body's sluggish, especially if we've had a couple of drinks of wine or a cocktail or two on holiday. You will see that your skin texture might even look a little bit lumpy. This is how I do it. Getting the brush firm, we're going to sweep up. Now you can do all over your arm, backs as well, but really focus on the areas where you see the signs of aging. That crepey, loose skin, get into it, ladies. We want redness, that's important, but always sweep up towards the armpit. That's where your lymph glands are. That's going to then remove and distribute those toxins, getting the skin back to health. Right, really go for it. And you want to do that for around about 2-3 minutes until you are properly red. Now, if you're using one of the gloves, pop a glove on. They're nice. They're not too abrasive, but they're not quite as good as the brush. I'd opt for the brush, but it's up to you. Then we're going to do the same. Now, you can obviously feel your skin because you've got your hands involved. So we're really going to push and scrub and do the same. With this one, I do tend to go up and down and really get the dead skin cells off. Here's the thing, if you've got dead skin cells on top of your skin, your arms, that oil isn't going anywhere. It's literally going to sit on those hardened skin cells, which are preventing any of that oil, any of that goodness getting absorbed. And therefore, you're just going to be flushing your money down the toilet. Do the prep, ladies. It's well worth it. Right, so that's how you do it with the glove. And these can be used all over the body as well, as can the brush, but not the neck, the chest, or the face. So my rescue remedy, ingredient number 1, jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is one of the most incredible moisturizing oils for our human bodies. It actually mimics, and it's so closely related to our own sebum. So as we get older, our skin is getting drier. It happens. Might not happen on your face, but on your body, you will notice dry patches, dry shins, dry arms. Jojoba oil not only mimics the natural production of sebum, it helps reduce moisture loss, it helps smooth and moisturize the skin, getting rid of any rough areas, and it's absolutely perfect for mature, dry skin. It doesn't cause irritation. I have to say, all of the things that I'm showing you do not cause irritation for most people, but if you find that you're one of those people that does break out easily or has irritation easily, do a patch test first. So, jojoba oil is my foundation oil. Next up is my rejuvenating oil, and that's Rosehip Oil. Rosehip Oil is packed with fatty acids. It's actually been proven to help with cellular turnover. So once we've removed those dead skin cells, those new little youthful brand new cells can start to glow, and your skin is going to look radiant instead of old and crepey. It actually supports the skin barrier. What that means is any environmental stressors, such as the sun, such as anything that you're using like deodorants, perfumes, it's actually creating a little barrier protecting your natural cells and your oil. It's always used in really expensive skincare, and that tells you something. Remember, everything that I'm showing you is cold pressed, it's organic, and it's hexane free. We don't want to put toxins on our body. We are doing this naturally. Next up is Bakuchiol. Now, it's a mouthful to say, but it packs a punch. You've got to be careful with the potency with this one, because studies have shown it can decrease lines and wrinkles. If you use it carefully, if you use it like I'm going to demonstrate, you are going to find that you get results too. Bakuchiol is nature's natural retinol alternative. It isn't a retinol, but it's got modalities that work in the same way. It's actually activating cellular turnover. It causes a quickening of the cells. You do need to be careful with the brand that you're going to buy, and you want to be sure that it is pure. I'm going to link everything that I'm showing you in the description box so you can be sure you're buying the right thing. The moisture lock. Well, you know what this is, ladies, don't you? This is castor oil. Castor oil is an occlusive. What that means, all of these oils, they're actually fabulous. What we need to do is lock them in. Castor oil not only locks in ingredients, it helps pull them deeper into your dermis, helping with the absorption, helping with the potency, and helping with your results. It's an incredible oil, but it is very sticky on its own. So blending it with my incredible oils for this crepey skin rescue remedy is the way to go. So grab a pen. This is what you need. We're going to make a 50 ml bottle. We are going to add 30 mils of jojoba oil. Remember, cold pressed, hexane free, organic. We are then going to add 10 mils of rosehip oil, followed by 7.5 mils of castor oil. We are then going to add 2.5 mils of Bakuchiol. It's very potent. You don't need a lot. Once you've got your oils, we are then going to add it to one of these types of bottles. These are 50 ml bottles. This is obviously a blue dark bottle, and this is an amber one. Both are glass. This is an old argan oil bottle that I'm going to reuse, and it comes with a glass pipette. This one I rather like. I got a pack of 6 from Amazon. This one has a spray. Once you've got your oils in your bottle, invert them. You don't need to shake them like crazy. Just invert them, make sure they blend. Now, at this point, there's no fragrance in that oil, and that's fine. But if you wanted to, you could add 2 drops of geranium, or 2 drops of lavender, or 2 drops of frankincense. You could add all of them if you wanted, if you like to have that spa effect, if you like. Right, I like this one because it's got the spray. Then we are going to apply it to our prepared skin. Couple of little sprays or drops if you're using a dropper, and rub it in. It couldn't be easier. Really give yourself some love. Can you see how lovely that is? What a lovely glow you get. Now, I know I'll be asked, how many times do I do that? Well, you know what? Do it every day. Do it every day. You can do it in the morning. You can do it in the evening. The exfoliation, I would do every other day, maybe 3 times a week if you're sensitive. You don't need to do that every day, but definitely apply those luxurious oils and be generous with them. Remember to rewind this part of the video so you are sure of your ratios, but the recipe is in the description box. Now, I've got other videos where I use shop-bought products, incredible balms, incredible creams, but so many of you ask me for natural ingredients, and you love the oils, I love the oils, and these are the ones that I would choose. The one thing that isn't included in today's video is good nutrition and healthy habits and building some muscle and bone. I'm going to address that next week. I have got a workout for crepey loose skin and bat wings that's coming next week. Remember, beautiful, radiant skin after the age of 50 does not need to cost a fortune. My simple solutions are for us women. For me, I'm 57. I'm suffering the same way that you are. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I've chosen this one for you next. Until the next time, bye for now.